Go might be coming very, very soon. Hey, remember the Oculus Go? Neither did we, until we saw two photos shared to Reddit by user Bekris, spotted by Upload VR, of what Bekris claims is the Oculus Go's developer kit. We'll be honest, this doesn't look like developer kit packaging, it totally looks like retail packaging. Bekris claims the photos were tweeted by Jesper Garsdal, software engineer at Unity Studios, and by the Twitter accounts of Unity Studios itself. Both tweets were removed shortly after being posted. If the photo is legitimate, the retail release of the first ever phone-free standalone VR device could be just around the corner. And the first buyers could have over 1,000 apps, games, and movies at their fingertips. See also, Facebook's Oculus Go will be made by this Chinese company. Here's what we know about the Oculus Go. It's being manufactured by Xiaomi, the Chinese parent company of the Mi Mix 2 smartphone. It's powered by the Snapdragon 821 mobile VR platform, Qualcomm's first chip to support Google's Daydream platform. It will cost $199. It has the same field of view as the Oculus Rift and built-in spatial audio. Image, Jesper Garsdal. Image, Unity Studios. With this leaked photo, we may tentatively be able to add 1,000 apps to that list, including Netflix, Hulu, Facebook, Fox, New York Times, Discovery, and Jurassic World. This is an impressive number, though it's important to note that not all, or even most, of these apps will be original content for the Oculus Go. Oculus Go is binary with Gear VR, Samsung's VR headset developed in collaboration with Oculus. This means that the 1,000 plus apps compatible with Gear VR will also be compatible with the Oculus Go upon its launch. We can also predict that the device will have 32 GB of storage, and the package's specification indicates that we may be able to expect multiple standalone headsets with different amounts of storage. We can't be sure that these photos are legitimate, but the sources are certainly real people who could be expected to have inside knowledge on the subject. If they're real, the Oculus Go could be in stores before we know it, with a ton of content to boot.